Hey guys, in this video, we'll take a look at PayingBee. Now, if you're looking for a detailed and honest review about this product, guys, then this video will be very helpful for you. That way, you can have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out when it comes to using this system or using PayingBee to make money online. Alright. In a nutshell, guys, PayingBee is a proofreading software that's gonna allow you guys to find and fix error in an article, and you offer that as a service and you make money. All right, now you can make more than this, you can make less than this, that depends on the projects that you find. All right, now there's a training inside how to find clients, and you also have this video tutorial right here, so you'll be able to find clients using this project finder right here, and this is where you use the software. And they also have this bonus right here that's showing you exactly how to get high paying clients. All right, so you have this in-depth video training, video 1, video 2, and video 3, showing you exactly guys how to find high paying clients, right? And yeah, now the headline says pays us $30 for every page of English we read. So essentially, just like I said, you can make more than this, you can make less than this. That depends on the projects that you find, right? And yeah, before I'm going to show you guys the demo of this, how to easily use this software to to find an error and to fix those error using an artificial intelligence, because this software uses an artificial intelligence right here. All right, and I'm going to show you that how to do that, right? um, but before that, guys, let me show you first my bonuses. That way, when you guys choose to pick up PayingBee through my link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna give you access to an additional value. Alright. My bonus number one, guys, is I'm gonna give you access, guys, to ebook creator, which is Scribble. Now with this software, now this is a cloud-based application. You'll be able to create professional ebook, and you can also sell this kind of service or ebook creation services to freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, freelancer.com, or to local businesses. All right, and you implement the training inside of um, PayingBee to list your services inside of Fiverr. All right, so that is my bonus number one. Now let me show you guys the value of this, because Scribble is it's like $47 if you would purchase this, and I'm gonna give you access to this. I'm gonna give you the front end access to this for free. All right, so that is my bonus number one. My bonus number two, guys, is I'm gonna give you access to a software. This is a text-to-speech and transcription software, which is Descript, and you can generate audio or human-like voices, and you can also sell this kind of services to freelancers, to freelance marketplaces, or to Fiverr.com. And you can also have this transcription software that will automatically transcribe those um audio into text. All right, so that is my bonus number two. My bonus number three, guys, is this is a 3D chatbot, which is Chatterpal. And you can also sell this. If you go to Fiverr, guys, you can make a lot of money as well selling chatbot. All right, now the value of this, guys, is like $47 as well. And this is so powerful, guys. Let me show you the power of this. All right, let me show you guys. Alright, guys, so this is Chatterpal. All right, you can create this kind of 3D avatar onto any kind of website, and you can also sell this kind of website. Let me show you the demo of this. All right, so this is if you click on this, you'll be able to create this kind of avatar on any kind of website. You can install this, and you can also sell this kind of service to freelancer.com or fiverr.com, and you can make a lot of money. You'll be able to create this 3D chatbot right here, 3D chat agent, and you have this chatbot right here where you can interact with this chatbot, and then you'd be able to play also.
Hey, my name is Laura. I am one of the many interactive 3D
Alright,
avatars.
so I'm gonna give you access to this, guys, for free, and the value of this $49, and I'm gonna give you access to this, guys, alright, completely for free. Alright, so that is my bonus number three. Alright, my bonus number four, guys, is I'm gonna give you access, guys, to Avatar Builder app, and you also get access to all OTOs. Alright, so I'm gonna show you guys what is Avatar Builder. Alright, Alright guys, so this is avatar, builder, and would be able to create, advanced, 3D and animated videos right here, guys. You can also sell this and make a lot of money with this, guys. Selling this kind of service to local businesses or to freelancers, just like I said, freelance marketplaces like Fiverr, right? You'd be able to create, like, advanced 3D animation with this software, guys. And the value of this is like, you know, the front end is $69, but I'm gonna give you access, guys, to all OTOs, which means, guys, you get access to all feature inside of this. And I think the value of that is like, almost $1,000 to get access to all of these features inside of, you know, Avatar Builder, which is really, really, great value when you guys use my link down in the description of this video, alright? So I'm gonna give you access to that completely for free. There is no additional cost, and you can also sell this kind of services to, to freelancer or to freelance marketplaces, right? So yeah, so next one, guys, is I'm gonna show you guys how to get high-paying clients using only Facebook. Now, this is the exact method, guys, that I use to get high-paying clients and make a lot of money with, selling different kind of services to local businesses. I only use Facebook to do this, right? I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. With this method, guys, you'd be able to get high-paying clients with this method, and you can make a lot of money selling different kind of services, guys. You can use all these softwares right here that I'm gonna give you access completely for free, all right? And you can make a lot of money with this, all right? It's so powerful bonuses, guys. No one else is gonna give this kind of bonus for you guys, and I'm gonna give you access to this. This is worth like more than $1,000, right? And this can, give you a lot of value with your paying bee purchase. Now, your paying bee investment is like, 14 $17. Then if you try to exit this page, I think you'd be able to prompt in with like an additional discount. Alright, guys, so yeah, so you can get access to this, guys, for only like, $17, and you also have a $2 discount, which is, you can only get access to this for only $15, and you get like a massive value with my custom bonuses, guys, that can really help you guys out. These bonuses are worth thousands of dollars, and you can make also a lot of money with this, softwares and tools that I'm gonna give you access as well. All right. So yeah, it's a no-brainer when you guys use my link, right? Yeah. So let me show you guys the dashboard of, PayingBee. So when you guys, use this software, so it basically go to, um, error finder right here, and this is where you add in an article. So if you have a client, right, so you've listed your service in Fiverr, and a client, order your gig, then this is where you use this software right here to fix, to find error in an article. Okay, so let me show you guys how to use this. I'm gonna search an article right here. So let's say this one right here. I'm gonna choose this article. I'm gonna go back right here, and then I'm gonna choose this. I'm gonna click on process right here, right? And this software automatically, find those errors and automatically, fix those errors. So as you can see, the software automatically finds these errors right here. So you would click on reprocess, and this software automatically reprocess the article and fix those errors. So there's still an error, we will click on reprocess again. You don't even need to read this, right here, guys. Just basically click on reprocess, and it will automatically reprocess those article. All right, so we've already, fixed all errors. Now what you can do, guys, is to save this or to copy or export this and deliver this to your clients and get paid over and over again. All right, and it's so powerful, guys. You don't need to, to have any like, copywriting skills. You don't even need to read this right here, guys. You basically copy and paste an article, and you make money. All right, so yeah, that's basically it, guys. And you also have this, you can also use this article spinner right here. So if you wanted, to spin an article, so let's say you wanted to spin this article, you can also use this article spinner to create a unique article. And they also have this, create RSS. You also have this my SSS scroller, and this comes with job hunter, and you also monitor all your projects right here. And you can also, guys, this also comes with landing pages. So if you wanted to create landing pages, you wanted to to create pages. You can also do that right here, and this is where you edit that, you edit that, squish page right here. You edit this text right here. You edit this image if you wanted to do that. So it's just like a basic lead capture page or landing page that can also really help you guys out. All right, so yeah. So I think that would be in this video, guys. If you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer all the questions that you have. And again, guys, if you would like to pick it up using my link down in the description of this video, I'm gonna make sure that you get access to all of these amazing bonuses, that can really help you guys out and save a lot of money and make a lot of money selling different kind of service and freelancer or Fiverr.com or to local businesses. All right. So thank you so much for watching this review, guys, and just watch this video right here, read the information on the sales page, and have an informed decision if this is something that can really help you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye.